Trubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Banyarap kentiu yaki kam Seng Hapoh ke Jylla ke Tnat micro, small and medium enterprises jong ke Sorkar Pedeng kala Pynlong ya ke National SC/ST Hub Mega Conclave hanong ba Shillong. Kajing temu jong ninga program kedai halor wan pensapriang yaki skim na kebenta ki Seng yaki kam. Haba ajin kerana kini ke Sengiu Chairman ke Meghalaya Industries Development Corporation James P.K. Sangma Lakdo ke jingdon kam jong ke jingelang ban penhe pensan ni bedon ke jingtemu ban Seng ke kam Lajong Hapoh ke Jylla. James loang magani ke jingelang kan aya kalat na kabenta ki samla ban yatai bor la kenturu yaki bikin shim ya ka kabu ban pensa priang bat kitu ki ba klemla ban poi ha katai ke jingelang.
For opportunities to make a mark for myself, I was just banking on three things: my unwavering self-belief, unshakable confidence, and hard work. I could make a decent beginning, yet times of struggle seemed longer, and establishing a small and medium business was still not a cakewalk.
And now we are in the stage of drafting a new industrial and investment policy for the state of Meghalaya. It is in the work and it is being drafted as we speak. And we look at further strengthening and making our economy and the environment for investment and for industry and for entrepreneurship more robust and more supportive. But yet, despite, in the present context, the present industrial investment promotion policy we've seen the kind of success that we've been able to achieve that, by virtue of the fact that there has been establishment of over 250 new ventures in the last 5 years, which have created many job opportunities for our youth, and it is fostering socio-economic development in our state as we speak. So before I conclude and before I would like to also mention here that I will not be staying through the entirety of the program. I have an engagement with Honorable CM in Delhi, so we will be proceeding to Delhi together. But I urge every entrepreneur here to engage with the program of the NSSH, which has taken so much initiative today. I thank the National SC/ST Hub for all the arrangements which have been made today, the way that they have organized today's program. We played a very small role in today's program, but we are very proud that we have been able to collaborate with the Ministry of MSME, with the NSSH, in organizing this program. And again, request all of you to participate in this capacity building workshop, to utilize the credit facilities which are there. Many stalls have been put up, to leverage the marketing platforms along with the other bouquet of schemes which Dr. Ganguly just mentioned about, and to all the experienced entrepreneurs who are already there too, who we have acknowledged by today calling them on the dais. I would like to urge these experienced entrepreneurs to share their wisdom and also to mentor the next generation.
I am a staff of Small Industries Development Bank of India, which we call in a short form SIDBI. I am the assistant manager and my colleagues, and then we have our AGM, who is the branch in charge in our office. SIDBI, it's a Small Industries Development Bank of India. It is mostly here in Shillong. We are doing this promotional developmental activities, which we are given training to the participants through NGOs for their training. After the training, we would like the participants or the uneducated youth men and women also, for doing for taking loans after they have completed the training. We want them to that so that they will open their own different shops, or they can take a loan from the different bank, which is with the scheme like Stand Up India. We have got Mudra scheme, and there are some other schemes also. But if these entrepreneurs, they want some more information, they can visit to our office, which is here in Tnat.
By the entrepreneur.
These are the products with the entrepreneurs, and we have got like they can sell these products in the website which we bought on ONDC. Then we can sell the product through the online.
This unit we have started in 2014, and we first started with the liquid soap. We started with the hand wash liquid soap, and gradually we went on to manufacturing solid soap. Then we have different types of soap here, like solid soap, which is we are using natural oil, just a pure glycerine and natural oils. We are using honey. Then we have started with the single-use soaps also for hotels, and then along with that we have started with floor cleaner. We are using the natural herbs from Meghalaya, like citronella, eucalyptus, and pine oils. Being a woman entrepreneur, it was a problem for me to go out procuring the raw material, because all the raw material is being procured from outside Meghalaya. So that is the first thing, and the second thing that I'm facing problem is transportation, sourcing the raw material, transportation, and yes, the market linkage. Yes, from the CIC I received the scheme. When I started, I got the PMEGP loan from them, and then gradually I participated in competition, and I won the E-Championship Challenge, the Chief Minister Award in 2018. So from there also I got support to procure machineries. So that was all the support, and yes, of course they help us with the exhibition to display our products and all like that, sir. So that is the support that we're getting. So right now it's like in Meghalaya only, but if there is order from outside, like for the designer soap, we get order also from outside, we sell it. But procurements are like, if every government office procure from the local entrepreneur, like, because you can see we have a floor cleaner, like the hand wash and all, so it would be like easy for us to sell it out, because the price is also very competitive. So we cannot, our pricing is at par with the products from outside the state, but when it comes to procurement, like that is not happening from here. It's just a little bit.